Hi everyone, my name is Shishir Nigam. I'm from the Maker's Chest. Super excited today to be here in Las Vegas at the headquarters of Full Spectrum Laser. I'm here with Walker McCaig, who's known as the Laser Wizard here at FSL. We're going to talk about the Muse, which is a very popular machine amongst our customers. So Walker?
Well, this is the Muse 3D and or the Muse Core, depending on if you have a camera built into it. So we have a base model and 3D. The 3D comes with cool features like the camera feature for easy placement onto your materials. So you can take that photo and then just place your image in the software one for one where it is in the software and on your material.
Okay.
So this machine can cut woods, acrylics, plastics, paper, leather, essentially everything except for bare metal.
Okay. And what kind of power option does it come in?
So we have a 45 watt and a 40 watt. 40 watts the base, 45 is your sort of upper echelon when it comes to the Muse 3D.
Yeah.
And that difference is going to be just really the speed in which you cut your materials.
Right.
And the 45 watts going to be a little bit longer lasting.
And what kind of accessories does it come with, built in, or optional?
Okay, so the Muse Core base comes with just a basic kit for your water and your air cooling. That's going to be a separate system that sort of sits on the side of your machine and gives you air assist and your water.
Okay.
And the water is keeping the tube itself cool, and that keeps it from breaking. And then when it comes to the 3D, we're talking Cool Box, which is all that stuff built into one nice unit that looks nice and clean, and it's just easier to maintain.
Okay, that's great. No, this is a fantastic machine. It's very popular with many of our customers here, especially for people who are starting out in the beginning. We're looking to experiment with different types of materials. This is a fantastic machine that you can try out for the initial stages of your journey in your business. If you have any questions, you know where to find us.